It's the final walkthrough. It's the final walkthrough. What's up, everybody? Dewan Smith with Red Zone Realty, and I'm back. Welcome to the Lighthouse. I appreciate you visiting today. By now, you know my story. For those who are new to the channel, though, I want to welcome you first and foremost. I'm a licensed real estate agent providing services to the greater Jacksonville, Florida area and its surrounding counties. The champagne is on ice, the housewarming party invites are prepped, and you can't wait to move into the new place you're about to call home. But as closing day approaches, let's not get too lost in daydreams about the layout of the living room and your first Instagram post. Why? Because we've still got the final walkthrough. Yes, the final walkthrough is your last chance to make sure everything's in order before you sign the paperwork and hand over all that money on closing day. Ready to learn about it?
Let's do it.
A final walkthrough is just like it sounds. It's a walk through the house you're about to buy. It's an opportunity for you and your real estate agent to spend a few hours looking over the place, room by room, inside and out, to check that everything works as it should. Here's what you need to know. The final walkthrough gives you time to confirm that the seller made agreed upon repairs and to check that no new issues have cropped up since the home inspection. A final walkthrough is never a waste of time, even if you feel great about the house. Buying a home is probably the biggest purchase you'll make in your lifetime, and you want to make the most of this chance to give it one more look before you commit. The walkthrough happens as close to closing day as possible, usually a few days before. It can sometimes happen on closing day itself. One key note, having the walkthrough near closing day means the house should be empty, giving you a good look at the whole place as a blank canvas. The seller should have moved out all their stuff and hopefully not damaged the floors and walls in the process. Be sure to clarify this with your agent to make sure the timing of the walkthrough is after the seller moves out and not before. Otherwise, you'll be left wondering if the movers are going to accidentally knock a dent in the wall between the time you last saw the house and the closing that makes it legally yours. You don't want any nasty surprises on closing day. Hey, short and sweet this week. Next week, we're going to talk about the details of the final walkthrough itself. If you enjoyed this video, click on the image that looks like this. Tell me what's on your mind in the comment box. If you subscribe and ring the bell, you'll be notified when a new video is ready for you. Finally, if there's anything in the world I can do for you, please let me know. This is Dewan Smith, your real estate lighthouse, wishing you all the best as we continue to guide you to the closing table. Peace. We're leaving together, but still it's farewell. And maybe we'll come back to earth, who can tell? I guess there's no one to blame, we're leaving ground. Will things ever be the same again? It's the final countdown. The final countdown. Oh, we're heading for Venus, and still we stand tall. 'Cause maybe they've seen us and welcome us all. Yeah, with so many light years to go and things to be found, I'm sure that we'll all miss her so. It's the final countdown. The final countdown. The final countdown. Oh, it's the final countdown. Oh, it's the final countdown. The final countdown. The final countdown. Oh, it's the final countdown. We're leaving together. We'll all miss her so. It's the final countdown. It's the final countdown. Yeah.